Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do text to speech on TikTok. If you are having an Android phone or iPhone, the same process goes. So just open the TikTok application on your mobile and then just tap on this plus icon here. And then you have to come to the camera and you can see 15 seconds, 16 seconds and 3 minutes. So if you want to text to speech on 60 seconds, you click this, and if you want 3 minutes, just click on this 3 minute. I'm going to do it with 15 seconds and then click on this record. So here as you can see it's recorded. When you are done recording, you just click on this check button here. So now what you have to do is you just have to tap on this text right here and you can write something like this. I just write this: hello guys, this is a text. You can change the color, you can change the font also, and we can also move the text. We can align the text also. If you tap on this done, now you can move the text also. You can see this. You can increase the size or decrease the size, or you can move the text also. And now if you want to add sound, you can add sound as well. You can edit audio as well. You can add effects as well. Now if you want to post, you just have to tap on this next. This is it, and then you will write the title here. So for example, I just added this, and now finally what you have to do is you just have to tap on this post and your text to speech on TikTok is ready. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.